Many business owners spend most of their waking hours attending to their trade, and rightfully so. They have spent years and years of hard work and struggle to realize their dreams. But there are those who don't only find time, but make time for other equally important activities. Tonight, we sit down with one such businesswoman who has been involved in many civic groups while running a business and supporting her own family. From the southern town of Taysan, Batangas, Ms. Marilou-Bianzon Garbes moved to Pampanga to establish one of the respected realty services providers in the region, the MB Garbes Realty Services. But long before the establishment of MB Garbes Realty Services, Ms. Garbes has already faced many challenges as an entrepreneur, brought mainly by the Pinatubo disaster. Like the determined woman that she is, Ms. Garbes weathered through the tragedy and worked her way up to get to where she is now, a respected and amazing businesswoman and an active member of many civil society organizations. Let's know more about Ms. Marilou Garbes and her story in Biz Buzz. Welcome to the program, Ma'am Malu.
Thank you and hello to everyone.
Tita, alam mo, ang alam ko, although biyasa kang Kapampangan, di ba?
Wow.
Hindi ka talaga taga...
Batangueño ako.
Batangueña ka. Pwede mong ikwento yung, yung buhay mo?
I was born in Taysan, Batangas. It's a very small town, parang 5th class municipality siya noong time namin. Everybody knows everybody. I went to elementary school there. Teachers, ang parents ko, my father, principal. Gano'n lang naman ang mga careers noon, di ba? Professions noon, no? Almost all. Teachers, gano'n na, academicians. And then, nag-high school ako sa Marilou, nasa Lipa City, which is 20 kilometers from Taysan. Would you believe yung 20 kilometers na yun? 20 kilometers of rough road. Parang craters talaga, gano'n, for so many years. Kaya, I was so thin, aalis ako ng Taysan ng parang 5:30 in the morning, commute lang kami to get a bus going to, jeep going to Rosario, na next town, which is 8 kilometers from Taysan, before reaching Lipa. Rosario, Padre Garcia, and then Lipa City. Pagdating ko doon, alas 7, 7:30, almost ready for school na. Pag uwi ng gabi, gano'n na naman. Ang biyahe sa Taysan, scarce. Parang, pag na-miss mo yung 5 p.m. sigurong jeepneys, ganyan, wala na. So, we had to wait. Meron akong kasama yung isa kong friend. Dalawa lang kaming taga-Taysan na nag-aral ng Marilou sa Lipa City. She's already 2 years ahead of me. Hihintay na namin yung service ng mga nagka-college dun sa Lipa City colleges. Yung mga nagda-night classes. Na alas 10 na ng gabi yun.
And then, nagpunta ka na ng Maynila, UP Diliman.
Yes, UP Diliman. Siyempre yung Marilou, mga madre, no? So we had scholarships, St. Scholastica's, Miriam. After 2 years kasi noon, parang second to the last batch pa na kami ng Marilou, nag-mission na sila. So yung education, tinanggal na nila sa curriculum nila. So naging Miriam siya sa sa Quezon City.
Correct.
We had the scholarships there, since ko Marilou. Kaso yung meron akong friend si Dorothy Douglas, the first wife of Senator Orly Mercado din. She passed away na si Dorothy. She really, parang encouraged me to go to UP. And doon, meron ako nakasama who came from UP Clark na babae. So this woman, this lady, had a boyfriend na taga San Fernando. Na isang party. Ayun, so I met Long Garbes there. Si
Ay,
Bong Garbes,
oo.
oo.
Ikaw nag-aaral pa pero siya nakagraduate na. Si
Oo,
Mr.
kakatapos lang niya.
Okay.
Kasi parang, he was very young when he finished, parang 19 lang siya nagtapos ng college sa UE. So, ayun, ganun kami nagkakilala.
Anong year kayo
No,
kinasal?
April 8, 1973. Kabubukas lang nila nung Garbes Dizon Superet. It's
Okay.
a small supermarket noon, superet, maliit na supermarket. Doon sa bagong site, which is the present site.
Okay.
Kasi my mother-in-law used to have grocery land sa public market. So, it was newly built for him to manage kasi nga commerce graduate siya.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun. So, when we got married, we helped naman si Tatang. Tatang then had so many businesses. Meron siyang Garbes Dizon Rice Mill sa Santa Ana. Tapos yung car center, Goodyear distributor siya, and then farm supply, farm business, tapos supermarket doon sa kabila. Parang ganun. Tapos yun, so I became tinulungan namin si Tatang sa businesses niya. I was then into farm supply business. From journalism graduate sa UP, bigla naging agriculturist. Kasi makausap ko yung mga chemical supplies, no? Yung mga companies like Shell Chemicals, Sibagaygi, Pfizer, Swilig, yung mga chemicals companies. So, biglang agriculturist ako, yung mga technician sa lupa, sa sakit ng mga palay, yung gano'n. We have farmers meetings, lahat yun. Nag-join ako ng lahat, and then I visited almost all the cooperatives in the whole province of Pampanga. Lahat yun, suki ko sila sa fertilizer and chemicals. So, as far as Balukok, yung mga far-away places na hindi mo talaga, si Bong, not even in his lifetime, napuntahan niya. He was born here, no? Napuntahan ko lahat.
Ilan taon ka dyan sa farm, supply business na yan?
Tagal, almost 20 years, darling. From 75, siguro yon 73 kami kinasal. Hanggang 95, I just we stopped after pinatubo kasi ang daming hindi nakabayad ng mga farmers ng mga cooperatives sa akin. So, nalugi ako. Ang dami kong pautang sa mga companies, sa mga farmers that they weren't able to pay.
Yeah.
Ang gagaling nila magbayad dati, like Florida Blanca, yung mga cooperatives doon. They were doing 3 croppings sa rice. 3 croppings siya na. Yung mga irrigation kasi sila. And they're very good talaga. Kaso nga, nung pinatubo, walang choice. June 15, no? Ready for harvest na yung palay nila. Talagang bumagsak. So, ang tagal nila hindi naka-recover.
That's right.
Kaya wala rin choice kami. So finally, 1994, siguro 1995, I closed already the farm supply business kasi pinipilit ko kasing ayaw ko isara. Bong was telling me, ang dami mo ng pautang, you're not doing good anymore, nalulugi ka na. Sabi ko, how can they pay me if I will close shop, di ba? Tapos, hanggang sa nagdaan, kung ilang milyon yung receivables ko, dumagdag naman na 1 milyon hanggang sa hindi ko na kaya talaga. So sabi ko, I really have to stop. Nag-stop na ako, sinunod ko na yung farm supply business. Tama-tama, I had a friend naman, kumari ko, who invited me to join real estate sales. She was then the former branch manager ng Pampanga.
Okay. So you got into real estate na, oo. O sige.
Yes. And insurance, nagsabay. Para bang biglang dalawang offer sa akin, yung isa kong kumare, pare, join ka sa akin sa Insular Life. Nare, join ka sa real estate. Pareho akong nag-join. And modesty aside, luckily, ay, survive naman ako, nag-make good naman ako pareho. Sabi ko nga, I really don't know how to sell. how to sell insurance, parang pre-need, how to sell real estate. Kasi ang alam ko lang, yung needs, like farm supply, di ba? Fertilizer, chemicals. Pagpunta sa'yo ng tao, bibili siya eh. Eto, i-aanok mo, di ba? Pre-need kasi. Sabi ko, ay, hindi ako marunong yan, gano'n. Sabi ko, Mari, kung kaya mo yan, Mari, ikaw, ang clout mo, ang laki-laki, gano'n. Try mo lang, gano'n. Okay. And then I found out na it's really, hindi pala siya pre-need. Sa real estate business pala is one of the four, di ba, basic needs ng man, is shelter.
Correct.
So, ang ganda ng you feel fulfilled pag merong very newly married couple, mahanap sila ng house and lot, o kaya lot lang gano'n, tapos papagawa sila ng bahay. And then, you feel so fulfilled, satisfied ka na. Yung start na kanilang marriage life started from you forgiving the house, which they will stay for the rest of their life, di ba? Yung gagawa sila ng family together, parang gano'n. So, ay, sabi ko, ganda pala nito.
Yeah. When did you establish the MB Garbes Realty Services?
Yun nga, so I started from real estate, no, which is project selling, ibig sabihin, di ba? So, in that, yung iniwan ni Kathy Navarro na Pampanga branch dito, kasi she became a vice president already, doon na siya sa Manila. Yun ang hinawakan ko.
Okay.
So, I made my own, may mga tao ako, sarili. Ang mga 1995, 96, 97, siguro 98, when na-invite naman ako sila, CG, Garcia, yung mga nag-real estate brokerage na mag-review ako for the DTI real estate brokerage examination. So yun, nag-join na ako ng REBAP, yung Real Estate Brokers Associations of Pampanga, of the Philippines Pampanga chapter. Nag-review and then nakapasa dun sa DTI brokerage exam, 1998. So, 1999, nag-start ako ng sariling MBG Realty Services.
Yeah. But while you were doing that, you were also giving birth to kids, di ba? You were also a mom.
Yes. Oo. Even nung sa farm supply pa ako.
Habang ginagawa mo yan, so you gave birth to how many children?
I gave birth to 6 children from, I was married 1973, di ba? So, I gave birth from 1974, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, to 6 children.
Oh, so
tama-tama, bang naman ako, tumatayo, lumalakad yung isa. Mababaitig metong lalakad siya yung ito.
Yeah.
At the same time, they are in the school. So, tutok ako sa eskwela, tutok ako sa mga bata, sa studies nila. Kaya naging active din ako. From Montessori kasi sila, parang, ang ko noon, prinsipyo ko noon, I start them young with the best, pre-education.
Okay.
So, nag-OB Montessori sila sa Angeles for their preschool. 4.5 years old sila, 4 years old, hanggang after that, elementary sila sa Assumption. Assumption. And then for high school, yung grade 3, di ba pag Don Bosco, grade 3 na yung mga lalaki. And then, yung mga babae, high school na sila nag-same school. Ganun ang ginawa ko. So they had a taste of, tapos bala ko nga nun, binili ko lahat sila ng cup. Di ba yung nun, yung sa educational plan, parang bala ko, UUP ko sila lahat kung kaya din nila. Para bang, from a cloistered education like OB Montessori, which is really, di ba, very cloistered, pampered.
Kumusta na sila ngayon? Lahat sila may mga
yes.
May trabaho na, may mga anak na, may mga apo ka na, di ba?
22 na yung apo ko, darling.
Wow, ang dami.
Yes, they're all married na.
Kumusta yung adjustment mo dito sa Pampanga? Parang magkaiba yata yung kultura ng mga Batanggenyo.
Since farmers yung naging ano ko agad, di ba? Clientele. Farmers yung aking ano, sa farm supply. I had to adjust. I had to learn the dialect kasi hindi sila marunong ng Tagalog. Maraming farmers hindi marunong ng Tagalog salita. So ako, yung brother-in-law ko noon, si Jude Garbes, siya yung kadaldalan niya yun eh. I think he was 1969 siya eh. So almost, basta 11 years old ba siya noon. Yung kadaldalan niya magsalita. So siya tuturo sa akin. Ang ano ko noon, kahit balid-balid ako, nagsasalita ako. Para lang nga matutunan ko siya. Kasi nga, yung mga farmers, you will not be able to understand each other. Ganun.
Right.
So ayun, hindi ako nahihiyang kayanda ako, baligkap, gano'n, natawanan nila ako. Ay basta, naintindihan naman nila, na-express ko yung ano. After 3 months, I already understood the dialect.
Hindi ka na pwede.
After another 3 months, nakapagpapunta na ako. Oo, yan na ako pwede pagbili sa 5 bago. Pero yung brother-in-law ko noon, kasabay ko siya, kasi nga hindi rin siya nagsalita, ever. Hindi siya natuto, ever.
So, pero ikaw, magaling ka na magkapampangan ngayon.
Yes, very
And then you immerse yourself in the community. Naging part ka ng community. Marami kang mga memberships sa iba't ibang mga organizations, di ba?
Yun nga, medyo natawagan tayo. Like, kasi si Bong started, he was invited to join the Lions, and then the JCs, and then the Rotary, gano'n. So, sama lagi si ako, di ba? Sama ka dito, sama ka dito. So, we get to know everybody from there. And then, ako pa naman, modesty aside, pag sa parties nun, para bang gusto nila, ako yung mag-start ng dancing. Ikaw yung mag-start ng nagagalit doon si Mr. Garbes kasi, libu-libutan ka. Diyos ko, sabi ko, bigla ka nalang hihilahin. Lika sa'yo tayo. Ano gagawa ko, di ba? Very close kami doon sa JC, yung grupo. Yan, sila Mr. LPL. Ay, very close. Very, sarap-sarap ng, samahan, para magkakapatid. And that's Rotary din, gano'n. So we were growing up, our children were growing up together din yung mga, kami, halos sabay-sabay. Time nila Levi, time nila Alex Adriano, time nila, marami yan, yung mga JCs, magagaling na JCs. June David, yan.
Yeah. Ma'am Malu, siguro pwede mong i-share dun sa mga nanonood sa atin na who are interested sa real estate business. Sa tingin mo ba sa panahon ngayon, maganda pa rin yan?
Actually, totoo. Actually, sa ngayon, maganda pa rin siya. You get to meet a lot of people. Tapos, two-way siya eh, two-way. Usually, for example, there is this person who will be needing a property for his need, no? Pagkatapos siya nabigyan ng need niya, which is very self-fulfilling sa'yo kasi nabigyan mo siya ng need niya. Namaya na konti, sabihin naman yan, ay Malu, mayroon akong property dito na I would like to dispose. So, meron na naman ikaw another chance to make another sale, di ba? So, give and take. Para bang, at saka sa real estate business, napansin ko, parang every property, meron siyang katapat.
Oo.
You know? Kahit medyo matagal ko minsan, parang sabi nga lang, suntok sa buwan, tagal naman ito binibenta ko, ganyan. Hindi maluluto, almost ganun, ilang months na, Pero lahat may katapat. Mas maganda po talaga, yung lang sila, magpapa-license. Kasi, ang nangyayari ngayon, there are so many unlicensed agents, na ayoko yung tawag sa kanilang yung hindi maganda eh. Kasi hindi naman po maganda yung kami, lisensyado, every year nagbabayad kami ng tax, nagbabayad kami ng license, and then we follow all the rules. Pag meron kang mape-penalize ka, di ba? If you made wrongdoing, gano'n. Pero sila, dahil nga na hindi sila license, Hindi naman sila mahuhuli, hindi naman sila makita. Medyo, yun lang ang yun lang ang hindi maganda. Mas magandang sumama sila sa license. Pwede sila mag-license agent Sumama sila sa license broker para protected din sila. Kasi kung minsan magreklamo sa akin yung isang nag-ahente, tita, ganyan-ganyan. May kaya ko po, pinasukan, parang sinulot yung benta niya, dumiretso yung buyer sa seller, ganun. Wala na siya, out na siya. Hindi siya protected. Wala na siya magawa, hindi man siya lisensyado, hindi man siya makapag-reklamo dito, hindi siya makapag-reklamo kahit saan. Yun lang Pero real estate business is a very good business. At present, masyado po siyang boom na boom po siya ngayon. Ang dami pong requirements, ang dami pong nangangailangan na investors. Lalo na po dito sa Pampanga, with the new Clark City sa Bamban, sa Capas, tapos yung Clark, ang daming bago natin developments, and the new monorail system. Ang lawak-lawak po ng needs ng investors. Parang andyan silang lahat. Even with the pandemic, lahat ng mga developers, parang bumibenta silang lahat. Even condominiums, even Roland. Yun. Kaya maganda rin na
Yung demand hindi natatapos, ano?
Hindi natatapos, darling.
Sa klase sa takbo ng industriya ngayon ng real estate, kaya nila talagang bumuhay ng pamilya.
Yes, better than starting your own business na kasi ngayon, lalo na sa pandemic na to, di ba? Ang daming nawala ng work, di ba? Out of job. And then if you want to start your own business, I mean, if a small business, hirap ka, di ba? Mahirap yung kapital ka, kakapitalan mo, tapos you will find, for example, a store, di ba? Like, kuha ka ng location, and magre-rent ka ng place, and then kapitalan mo, and then you have electricity bills, you have water, everything. Ang maganda sa real estate, wala kang puhunan, di ba? Ang malaki mo lang puhunan is yourself, your know-how, and how to deal with people.
That's right.
You have to have lang yung trustworthy ka lang dapat kasi yun lang ang puhunan mo, yung sarili mo. Konting modesty aside, konting pangalan, modesty aside, yung reputation mo, na trustworthy ka, na pagtitiwalaan ka ng seller to sell this huge amount of property, and then si buyer naman, magtitiwala din sa'yo to buy this huge amount din of property. So, ano lang siya, di ba? Matching lang. Kaya yun ang maganda sa real estate business. Walang puhunan. Pero, much better siya nga ngayon kasi nga yun to start a new career.
Yes.
Maganda siya. And you should start siguro with sama ka muna sa mga licensed broker para medyo matutunan mo yung craft, no? Getting to know the number one kasi sa amin is pag may pinabentang property sa akin, I have to know the property. Kailangan puntahan ko, tingnan ko, alamin ko. Pwede tapakan ko muna yung lupa, yung bang ganon, to get the feel of the property before I can sell it to another person. Kasi number one yun You have to know what you're selling
Yes.
Even sa mga project selling, for example, sa real estate, yung condominium, ganon. Kasi pwedeng, kaya very personalized din ang real estate. Yun ang naging difference sa iba ring career. For example, meron kang, you're an owner of a big supermarket. Okay, dyan ka lang, di ba? Oversee ka lang. Meron kang manager, meron kang tao. Benta ng benta yan. Okay yan. Pero with real estate, ikaw yung hahanapin Kahit yung agent ko. Ngayon, medyo hirap ako kasi nga staying at home ako, di ba? So, ang tripping ko is my driver ang nagtitripping. Tapos yung titignan ko na lang mga pictures, gano'n. Tapos pag yung kung talagang closing na, doon na lang ako lumilitaw. Pero like may property doon na kami nabenta. So, ahente ko, Madam, kailan ka raw makikita nung buyer, ganyan. Pag sure na siya, pag gusto na yung property, sige, kikitain ko siya for the final negotiation. Ngayon, ganun ako kasi nga, medyo hirap tayo sa pandemic. Kailangan kasi talaga, ang daming properties ngayon na for sale. So, papatripin ko muna sa driver ko. Kasi tignan ko na lang yung pictures saka yung video. Pero number one talaga is you have to know the property that you're selling. Kasi pag tinanong ka ng tao, ano ba yan? Ano yan? Hindi ba naman sagutin? Sorry na lang. Iiwanan ka niya. Diba?
At this point in time, I'd like you to leave a message to our televiewers. Is there any message of hope that you'd like to leave to say to them at this point in time as we conclude this conversation, Tita?
Yes, to all the members of Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry, good morning. You know, in the real estate business, it's always a morning, it's always sunrise. So you always say good morning, wala pong sunset sa atin. So just like that, ang pandemic pong ito ay hindi naman ibig sabihin sunset na po natin. We were given a challenge, we were given trial from the Lord. This is, sa akin po kasi, this is a wake-up call. Pero napakabigat pong wake-up call. Imagine the whole world po ang affected. But I'm very hopeful na hindi naman po tayo bibigyan ng challenge ng ating creator kung hindi po natin kaya. So, knowing that, I'm always believing in Him. Keep the faith strong and kapit lang tayo. Do what we're doing, all the health protocols na kailangan, talaga pong ganun. Vaccines, nandiyan na rin. I'm very positive na magkakabaksin tayong lahat and hopefully babago talaga ang takbo ng ating negosyo for the better. Ang dami ng sarano po, hotels, restaurants, gano'n. It's so saddening, these signature companies, yung mga Gucci, Louis Vuitton, halos at sila nagsasara. But we are very thankful. Ang akin po kasi we live by day to day.
Yes.
We count our blessings. We are very blessed na tayo nandito pa rin. Despite nga po ang dami nagsara, namatay din sa mga friends natin. Na po ito, kakaroon naman po siya ng kalutasan. And sa business sector, we will rise again. Like before, during the Pinatubo times, we rose from the ashes. This time, ganun din po, we will again rise. Kasi po, sabi nga po nila, Filipinos are resilient, Pampangas are resilient, Batanggenyos are resilient also.
Yes.
Kasi Batanggenyo ako. Anyway, yun lang po, magandang umaga sa lahat. And nice seeing all of you, and I would like to thank my very good friend, Miss Sonia Soto, for giving me this chance to be in the very reputable CLTV 36. Magandang umaga sa lahat, and maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Tita. Thank you so much. And I hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you. Like and follow our official Facebook page at CLTV36 Official and Business Unusual with Sonia P. Soto. I am also inviting everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel at CLTV36 Official for more Business Unusual content.